We're going to explain how to close browser windows. This is simpler than it sounds, and the method varies slightly depending on your operating system and browser, but the basic principles are the same. 1. Using the X button. The most common way is using the small X button, usually found in the top right corner of each browser window. Clicking this closes the current tab or window, depending on your browser settings and how many tabs you have open. If you only have one tab open, clicking the X will close the entire browser window. If you have multiple tabs open, closing the X will only close the current tab you are viewing. 2. Closing all tabs. Most browsers offer a way to close all tabs at once. This saves you from individually clicking the X on every single tab. In many cases, you can right-click on a tab, and you'll see an option to close other tabs or close all tabs. The exact wording may differ slightly between browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Explore your browser's menu. You'll usually find options under the 3 vertical dots, Chrome, Edge, or 3 horizontal lines, Firefox, in the top right corner. Look for options like Close All Tabs or similar. 3. Closing the entire browser. If you want to shut down the entire browser application completely, rather than just a window or tab, you need to close the browser itself. This is done by looking at the top of your screen. Depending on your operating system, you can do this through your operating system's task manager or by right-clicking the browser icon on the taskbar, the bar at the bottom of your screen in Windows, and selecting Close. On a Mac, you might close it from the dock or through the Apple menu, top left. You can also use keyboard shortcuts like Command+Q on a Mac to quit the browser application. 4. Keyboard shortcuts. Most browsers also respond to keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+W, Windows, or CMD+W, Mac, typically closes the current tab. Ctrl+Shift+W, Windows, or CMD+Shift+W, Mac, usually closes all tabs in the current window. These shortcuts save a lot of time compared to using the mouse. Again, exact shortcuts may vary slightly by browser. 5. Accidental closures. If you accidentally close a tab or window containing important unsaved work, most browsers have a history or recently closed tabs feature. You can usually find this in your browser's menu or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+T, Windows, or CMD+Shift+T, Mac. This will reopen the last closed tab. You can repeat this shortcut to recover multiple closed tabs in reverse order of closure. Remember to always save your work before closing browser windows to avoid losing data. The specific steps might vary based on your browser and operating system version, but these general methods will work for most situations.